All right, so we get a question here all the time. How do I know how to put together these inside corners? The first thing to do is to figure out that which part is the front, right? So the molding on the back looks like this. It has these flat parts that this goes on the wall, this goes on the ceiling, and this is the face, right? So this is how the molding sits on the wall. And then this part right here goes on the ceiling. Now also the bottom part, the longer part is the bottom of the molding, right? This is where it's gonna go on the wall. This part here goes on the ceiling. So when you put them together, they create this corner like this. We're gonna show you on the actual wall here how to do this. So we just take these up. This is a traditional 90-degree corner. These are your, pre-cut corners. And then that's how they go together. They gotta be nice and flat on the wall and on the ceiling. And you start with these. You put these in, you glue them in place, nice and tight, and then you just run your full pieces. Yep. That's it.